This is from BRDRC, and these are filters for your Neo. So if you have the DJI Neo, these are filters that you're going to want to use. Perfect for if you're trying to capture some motion, get your cinematic shots, even just like anti-glare if you want to film by water and it's very glary, or maybe like windows on a building. Each one has a little adhesive that you can take off and pop on, and then it has this little backing to it, so when you take it off the Neo you can keep it nice and sticky. You have a UV filter, a CPL filter, and then you have neutral density filters from ND8, ND16, ND32, all the way up to ND64. The higher the number, the darker the filter is, so you can see through that. It's like wearing sunglasses. And what that's going to do is open the shutter up more, and it's just going to give a lot more motion blur. So if you are moving around, getting something fast, it's going to look a lot more cinematic and a lot more realistic. So really nice looking filters. They just pop on your Neo. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.